All right, friends, two different multiplication strategies that were taught in 4th grade. We're going to do the array or box method, and we are also going to do the break apart or rainbow. There's lots of different terms for it. So let's go ahead and just start with our multiplication problem. So 38 times 29. All right, so we're going to do the break apart strategy first. And I know this is also called the rainbow strategy, and that's just because it kind of makes a rainbow. So I'm going to rewrite it down here just so I have the room. And we're just going to start with the 3. Now the 3 represents a 30, not a 3. So it's 30 times 20. We're going to go back to that 30, and we're going to do 30 times 9. Okay. And now we're going to do the 8. The 8 is just an 8. 8 times 20. And 8 times 9. And then you solve those. 30 times 20 is 600. 30 times 9 is 270. 8 times 20 is 160. And 8 times 9 is 72. And then you just add your answers up. So 2, 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 7 is 20. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 38 times 29 is 1,102. The biggest thing to remember with this is what each of the digits represents. This is a 30 and an 8, and this is a 20 and a 9. And this can be used, of course, with bigger multiplication problems. You just would have more pieces that you would be multiplying by. Okay, I'm going to do another one in just a second. Here we have 98 times 72, and we're going to do the exact same thing. 90 times 70. 90 times 2. 8 times 70. And 8 times 2. 9 times 7 is 63. We have 2 zeros because they're both multiples of 10. 90 times 2 is 180. 8 times 7 is 56, so that's 560. And 8 times 2 is 16. 6, 7 plus 8 is 15. 3, 4, 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 98 times 72 equals 7,056. Okay. All right. Pause the video, and I want you to try to do, let's go with 45 times 38. Do that one on your own, and then come back and check your work. Alright, so I've done almost all of the work. I just need to add it up. It's 11, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17. So your answer should be 1,710. Alright, draw a line underneath this strategy, and now we're going to do either, people call it the box method or the array method. It's just another way of breaking up by place value. Alright, the second strategy, you're still breaking everything up by place value, but you're just organizing it differently. So you start with squares for however many place values you have. And we're going to take our 40 and our 6. So here's 40 and here's 6. And then we're going to take the 20 and the 8. Alright, so 40, and now we're just going to multiply everything. 40 times 20 is 800, and then 40 times 8 is 320. And then we're going to go down to the bottom. 6 times 20 is 120, and 6 times 8 is 48. And then, as you might have guessed, now we're just going to add everything up. So 800 plus 320 plus 120 plus 48. So we have 8, 2, 4, 8, 11, 12. So this equals 1,288. Okay, and see the multiplication on this one? You do these two, and it goes here. And then you do these two, and it goes here. And then you do your 6 times your 20, and it goes here. And you do your 6 times your 8, and it goes here. And that's the strategy with this one. I will do one more, and then I will give you a problem to do on your own. Alright, so we have 65 and 39. 60 times 30 gets us 1,800. And then 60 times 9 is 540. And we go down to the 5. 5 times 30 is 150. And 5 times 9 is 45. And then, yep, we are just going to add everything up. So we've got 1,800, 540, 150, and 45. 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 4 is 13. 8, 9, 10 plus 5 is 15. That's 2. So the answer to this one is 2,535. All right, go ahead and solve this one on your own and then come back and check your work. All right, if you got 3,773, you are doing pretty good. And this is just another way to do multiplication without doing the actual algorithm.